And now could I please invite Rotary International President-elect for 2021-22, Dr. Shekhar Mehta.
So welcome, Dr. RIP Shekhar ji. Thank you for joining us here today. Just a few words on you. You are our incoming leader from the 1st of July. And we know your passion for literacy, but we also know your passion for burning the midnight oil for all the kind of projects you want to undertake. Thank you for joining us here. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's absolutely a delight to be coming to your district conference. Mumbai conferences are very special. I have one of the best memories of the last Mumbai conference that I had attended. And it's आज उसी के club ने वापस से host किया है, which is wonderful. Ajay Gupta, that was quite a turning point as far as literacy issues were concerned. On one single day, we had that meet with Smriti Irani when we launched the Asha Kiran program, and then with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, जो उनका एक promise है, हमको समय नहीं मिला है उनके पास जाके उसको leverage कर लेने का. But I still remember that was quite an eventful day that we had. Coming to Sunil, what a great year you are having. Passionate that you are wanting to do good despite having such a challenging year. We all are having challenging times, but I can understand what you have gone through. Zindagi mein ek saal milta hai when you lead such industrious, such outstanding people, or you have large dreams, big dreams, you want to achieve those, do good in this world, help people, and then suddenly nature strikes. और कभी वो जैसे क्रिकेट में नहीं हो जाता, you being a cricket person, तो डकवर्थ लुइस हो गया है जरा. कभी रेंस हो रही हैं, कभी नहीं हो रही हैं, तुम्हें ये नहीं मालूम है कब पिंच हिटिंग करना है, लेकिन जब मौका मिला है तुमने पिंच हिटिंग करी है, and you've really done well, I must say. My compliments to you for your leadership that you've shown, not just in your district, but at India level. Well done. Keep doing beyond your governorship also. So let me talk with just 1 month left. Let me focus first a couple of minutes on the current year and then to the next year. Sunil, जाते जाते अपने district को Rotary in India को एक gift देके जाओ. वो है, how many clubs do you have right now?
We have 114 going to 120.
120. 120 into 4 members, each club is 480. Try and do this. It may be a little difficult, not impossible. If this is the one focus, I'm going to speak to you guys tomorrow, all of you on this subject only. But आज जब ये मौका मिला है, तो why not do this? That's the parting gift. You can leave a legacy that will help your district and for India, let me tell you. The idea was we want to touch 175,000 membership in India by the end of your year. We are in striking distance of that. We are at 169,000 right now. If around India 6,000 ले आएंगे तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन we are going to lose some members also on the last day on from 30th June to 1st July. So we have to make up for that also. So that's one thing that I would request you to do. अभी भी 1 महीना बाकी है. I'm sure you have a lot of things up your sleeves which you are going to do. There'll be some things that I will discuss with you tomorrow on you are probably aware, I've mentioned this to you. We are already working on and have got a tie-up with an organization where we are good partners with them. 50,000 oxygen concentrators in India, of which about 10,000 have already arrived. Usme se they selected 2 cities, 2 states, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. West Bengal mein already unhone 803 laga diye hain, and the rest about 400 more are on the way. In Tamil Nadu, the number is high. Rotarians have identified 2,000 places where they would want to give these. By tomorrow, when we meet, I am going to tell you that now this probably is going to be open for rest of India also. But hold on to your guns till tomorrow. So that will be the gift that I would like to give to you guys before you end your term. Because तुम्हारे साल के अंदर में अगर याद रहेगा तो कोविड के लिए रहेगा या इस मेंबरशिप ग्रोथ के लिए याद रहेगा. मेंबरशिप के अंदर में तो तुमने किया ही है, तुम लोगों ने कमाल किया था जो 1 महीने में you guys raised the bar what normally took us 1.5 years to do. For the last 10 years, the growth in India has been 4,000 members each year. From 23rd January to 23rd February, all of you governors in India added 6,000 members. That was unique. Let me tell you, this year, as far as today's growth is concerned, worldwide, India has done upwards of 56% of the growth of Rotary in the world. So that is why I say it is absolutely possible. और तुम्हारी dynamic leadership में तो absolutely possible is. I wonder if Rajendra Agarwal is here somewhere. I don't see him in this group, but he may be in the audience. If Rajendra, you are there, I'm going to now focus a little on the next year. But that doesn't take away anything from you, Sunil. जितना काम अभी कर रहे हो उतना ही काम बाद में करते रहना. जरा भी कम किया, तुम्हारे पास अब समय ज्यादा होगा, OCVs करने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो लग जाना एकदम काम पे, because we cannot lose this talent that you have. I say each of these past governors is like a principal of a school, you know. Losing a principal is as good as losing a library. Not having a past governor working actively, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, अभी तो आसमां पूरा बाकी है सुनील. So let's keep doing that. For the next year, friends, let's grow more and do more. Grow more तो ये बहुत जरूरी है. 20 साल से हम 12 लाख पे अटके हुए हैं. कौन सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? अजय गुप्ता, विजय जलान, तुम क्या चाहोगे 20 साल तक तुम्हारा बिजनेस वहीं रहे और बढ़े ना आगे? नहीं. शशि शर्मा तो 1 साल भी नहीं रुक सकेगा. Sunil, Rupen, I don't think any of you, all of us want to grow. And for an organization which is so large that we have footprints in more countries than even United Nations has. We are a 116-year-old organization and no mean feat, mind you, polio eradication. Which other organization can say हमने एक disease दुनिया से हटा दी? And mind you, this time we are the closest. इस साल में there are the only 2 cases of polio, one in Afghanistan, one in Pakistan. Who knows, there may be the last cases in the world of polio. जब मेरे बैकयार्ड में हुआ था लास्ट 10 साल पहले 2011 में, last case was 20 kilometers away from my home. We did not know that's going to be the last case, but it was. Similarly, these 2 cases might be the last one. So imagine what an organization. For this one program, Rotarians have raised more than $2 billion. Ourselves, matched by $2 billion by Bill and Melinda Gates. And world over, तो कितने $billion और add किए हैं. 3 billion children have been given doses, not once, but multiple times. If this is the organization, how can this organization stop from growing? Doing so much good in this world. और ये तो मैंने एक आपको शायद 1/10 part of Rotary बोला है अभी. Polio eradication work is 1/10 part. It may be the corporate program. It may be the biggest unit, but our work for education, our work for sanitation, our work for water, our work for empowering people in economic community development. What about the youth exchange programs that we do? I mean, what an excellent program it is. एक बच्चा जब यहाँ से ब्राजील जाता है, तो कितना सारा इंडिया साथ लेके जाता है. और वो ब्राजील का बच्चा जब आता है, तो हमें ब्राजील की सभ्यता समझाता है. तब हमको समझ में आता है कि बिकनी पहन के भी घूमना कोई गलत बात नहीं है. Because that's their culture. We need to understand the world is different around the world. जो हमें भद्दा और गलत लग सकता है can be just the culture in their country. And it is so very important that we become world people. We understand each other's culture. और हर साल hundreds of these brand ambassadors of Rotary go through the youth exchange program. Then there are the VTTs that we have. Exceptional talent going, coming. 22 साल पहले मैं जब गवर्नर बनने वाला था, तो मुझे तब VTT किसी ने कहा. One gentleman, a doctor from London, he said, let us do a VTT. Tab VTT, he didn't say VTT, he said, we will have all GSC people from the same profession and they'll be eye doctors. I wasn't interested. I said, no, I'm not interested. But he persisted and I gave him. The result has been, with that one partnership, we did 30 grants in that 1 year. And over the years, we have set up more than 15 hospitals. Each year, we now do more than 50,000 eye surgeries. So look at what can happen when people come together. So ये programs तो हम पूरे इंडिया के वर्ल्ड के अंदर में, we must be running a few thousand hospitals, a few thousand schools, hundreds of hospitals. Lakhs of people are able to see today because of our efforts. Tens of thousands of children are walking today happily because उनकी heart surgeries आपने और हमने मिलके करी है. So for an organization of this stature, हम एक ही जगह अटके रहे, I don't think that's a great idea. So I just see here only 30 people in this special room, but to me that other room is very special where there are how many people, Sunil?
There are about 1800 there, sir.
1800. They are the people. तो देखो मैं जहां पे भी दुनिया में जाता हूँ, आज सुबह से 2 बार इटली जाके आ चुका हूँ, शाम को यूएस जाऊंगा. That's the wonderful thing about the Zoom calls, you know. So wherever I go, I ask one question. Next 12 महीने में आप में से कौन कौन एक मेंबर लेके आएगा रोटरी में? ये मैं लोगों को हाथ उठाने बोलता हूँ. I have a phone where I have tens of thousands of people who have raised their hands and I have their pictures. अब यहाँ तो 30 ही बंदे हैं. Somebody take picture of that screen, the other screen where the Zoom people are. Let's all raise our hand and say next 12 महीने के अंदर में कौन एक मेंबर लेके आएगा? वो आपका फ्रेंड हो सकता है, आपके कलीग हो सकते हैं, आपके रिलेशन में कोई हो सकता है. और अगर वो भी नहीं ला पाओ तो जरा आईने के सामने खड़े होकर देखना, बोला मैंने किया क्या जिंदगी में कि मेरा एक दोस्त नहीं है जिसे मैं रोटरी में ला सकूं. नॉट वर्दी ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग वन पर्सन इनटू रोटरी. Give it a thought and now let's raise a hand. On 1st July, I promise I will bring a member. Rupen, good. Suchitra, you may be not a Rotarian, but Rotary is a good organization. You can ask somebody else to become a Rotarian.
Okay.
You too can raise a hand. Wow, I love that. Thank you so much. That's great. That's great. Thanks so much. You know, Sunil, last week I asked, कुछ दिन पहले 3 महीने पहले मेरी सारी पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स, रोटरी के जितने पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं सबके साथ मीटिंग थी. 15 या 18 थे उसमें से. सबसे पूछा हाथ रेज करो, सबने किया. 5 दिन पहले उनके साथ वापस मेरी मीटिंग थी. 3 of them reported back, शेखर मैंने एक मेंबर ला दिया है और एक और लेके आऊंगा. I mean, can you believe Rick King, who is now old, fragile, he says I've already brought Shekhar and I will bring one more. Raja Sabu says पहले दिन एक मेंबर लेके आऊंगा शेखर. So that's the spirit. If our leaders are going to lead from the front, we all need to do our bit. आप सब ये 1800 जो है ना, इसमें से कम 1500 को एक मेंबर लेके आना है. 1800 ले आएंगे तो आउटस्टैंडिंग. तो सुनील, कंटिन्यूड जॉब यू हैव टू डू. राजेंद्र के पास में और भी बहुत काम होंगे. खैर ये काम भी उसके लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. बट यू कीप वर्किंग ऑन दिस ऑल्सो. तुम्हारे जो प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं उन सबसे इंश्योर करना कि वो जरूर से एक मेंबर लेके आए. जो जिसको बोल सके जरूर बोले. वी हैव टू बी द चेंज मेकर्स. वी हैव टू चेंज. जो 23 साल में, जो 20 साल में नहीं हुआ, अब क्यों नहीं होगा? पोलियो वैक्सीन को 23 साल लगे थे बनने में. इबोला को 5 साल लगे. कोविड 9 महीने में हो गया. वैक्सीन जो 23 साल लगते थे वो 9 महीने में हो सकता है, तो जो 20 साल लगे थे वो 12 महीने में हो सकता है. एंड विल डू इट. सो वंस वी ग्रो मोर, विल स्टार्ट डूइंग मोर. डूइंग मोर में तो इंडिया इज चैंपियन एब्सोल्युटली. एंड राजेंद्र, तुम्हारे जो मैं प्लान्स देख रहा हूँ, सारे रोटेरियंस आई एम श्योर लग जाएंगे, पड़ जाएंगे एकदम काम करने के लिए. बस ये सोच के रखो कि आई होप ये कोविड का प्रकोप जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑन द डिक्लाइन, सेकेंड वन. बट नेक्स्ट लेट्स बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. ऑल doctors, everyone says there is going to be a third wave and it may even be stronger than this. This time we were caught unawares, absolutely sitting ducks. Next time ये ना हो. हम नहीं सोच रहे थे. India was in such a great condition. We were the heroes of COVID. हम दुनिया में वैक्सीन दे रहे थे. Everybody, हमारी जब जो मीटिंग होती, एक्सपर्ट्स आते वहां पर, हर कोई कोविड एक्सपर्ट बोलते हैं जो देखना है इंडिया की तरफ देखो. अभी भी बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन अब देने के लिए बोल रहे हैं कि इंडिया को हेल्प करने के लिए इंडिया की तरफ देखो. नॉट अ ग्रेट सीन. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, लेट अस बी प्रिपेयर्ड, लेट अस कीप आवरसेल्व्स प्रिपेयर्ड. फॉर्चुनेटली ये जो इतनी एड वगैरह आ रही है, इन सबको हम प्रॉपरली ध्यान रखें और ये इंश्योर करें कि अगली बार ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो. आई एम श्योर द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो विल टेक ग्रेट स्टेप्स टू इंश्योर दैट वी डू नॉट फॉल इनटू द सिमिलर सिचुएशन. कभी कभी वो कहते हैं ना, रास्ते पे जब गाड़ी चला रहे होते हैं, जरा सी नजर हटी और दुर्घटना घटी. हमारे साथ ऐसा ही हो गया अपने देश में as far as COVID was concerned. I hope अगली बार ना हो and we'll be prepared for it. Apart from that, there is so much that we can do. हम जो भी काम करें, let's focus. The overarching theme be empowering girls. आज भी we know 50 किलोमीटर 100 किलोमीटर दूर बॉम्बे से जाओ and you will see the discrimination. Not that city में नहीं हो रहा है, city में फिर भी better situation है, but go to the villages and see what discrimination is there, what disadvantage there is for the girls. And it's not just here, let me tell you, it's around the world. I've spoken in America, Canada, Africa तो खैर है ही. So many parts of the world, the problem is there. So let's try and help them out. There are various ways you can do that. Empowering them by skilling them, ensuring that they do not drop out of schools. और ये कोविड के बाद देखना, इन बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना ही मुश्किल होगा. और उसमें से गांव के अंदर में जब उनकी इनकम कम हो गई है, तो 2 बच्चों हैं, एक लड़का एक लड़की, वो बोलेंगे लड़का तुम स्कूल जा सकता है, लड़की तुम घर पे बैठो. वो लड़की क्यों घर पे बैठेगी? वो क्यों ना इंडिपेंडेंट होगी? वो क्यों ना उसे स्किल करा के हम उसे फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट कर देंगे? हम अगर नहीं करेंगे तो who will do it? So let's do it. Let's go ahead do it. Let's look at their nutrition. We don't want stunted children. उनके जो बच्चे हों वो stunted ना हो. उनका न्यूट्रिशन देखने की जरूरत है जब वो प्रेग्नेंट हो जाए, when their children are being born. How about looking at their menstrual hygiene itself? अजय, ये एक वो उनसे वादा है अपना, our friend who passed away. So we need to carry that program forward where menstrual hygiene management के लिए, I mean, it's an excellent program that we can do. At 300 rupees only, you give sanitary pads to a girl which is reusable for 2 years, and this is approved by UNICEF. Start small self-help groups where it becomes an enterprise for the women. They do the marketing also. The consumers are the girls themselves. Environmentally so good because there is no disposal, so it's so very good. Multiple benefits by just one program. So let's do that. How about, I am suggesting, ये जो रोज रेप की खबरें आया करती थी, जो आजकल नहीं आ रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड, रास्ते पे ही नहीं आदमी जा रहे तो रेप कम हो रहे शायद I wouldn't know. The girls need to be taught some self-defense techniques as part of their curriculum in schools. कुछ को जूडो कराटे आना चाहिए. 4 थप्पड़ पड़ेंगी, 2 बार पलट के गिरेगा तो लोगों को अगली बार डर रहेगा इस बात का. और अगर वो घिरी हुई है तो अपने आप को सेल्फ डिफेंस में तो करे पहले. So these are some of the thoughts. You can think of various other programs. जो जहां की नीड है, can we create a lot of buzz as far as empowering girls is concerned. 1 साल में अगर बज क्रिएट करेंगे तो बात दूर तक जाएगी. लेकिन बात दूर तक तब जाएगी जब हम काम करेंगे, सिर्फ बात करने से नहीं होगा. सो काम भी करना है और उसके बारे में बात भी करना है. एंड कमिंग टू नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर वर्क, दैट्स एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? अपना जो बढ़िया काम है, एंड वी हैव सच ग्रेट वर्क, सच ग्रेट स्टोरीज टू बी टोल्ड टू अदर पीपल. रोटेरियंस कैन बी द बेस्ट स्टोरी टेलर्स. आई टेल यू सुनील, अगर तुम रोज एक स्टोरी सोशल मीडिया पे स्टोरी की तरह डालना चाहो तो तुम शायद और कुछ काम नहीं कर सकोगे. इतनी स्टोरीज होंगी तुम्हारे पास में एक दिन में बोलने की. कहीं पे तुमने कोविड बेड्स लगा दिए हैं, कहीं पे ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स लगा दिए हैं, कहीं पे तुमने बच्चों को स्कूल भेज दिया है, कहीं पे तुमने सैनिटेशन का काम कर दिया है, कहीं पे पानी पहुंचा दिया है. बट ईच ऑफ दीज थिंग्स टोल्ड इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ नाइस स्टोरी कैन बी अ वंडरफुल थिंग. We Rotarians are very good at telling stories, but unfortunately we tell it to ourselves, not to the rest of the world. Let's do that. Media is our friend. We need to handle it properly. I have offers from NDTV कि मैं कब next उनके एक टेलीथॉन पे जाऊं. 2 बार जा चुका हूं, तीसरे बार के लिए we are ready. जब कोविड के ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूं, इसलिए I'm not doing. There is another TV channel which has said they will give us 100 crore rupees worth of time. The leading newspaper, the second largest newspaper in India, vernacular newspaper, is already partnering with us. At local level, a lot of partnerships can be done. But I tell you, the best thing is the social media. Each of us is a brand ambassador of Rotary. आज एक प्रोग्राम हुआ, let's send it out. न्यूज़पेपर की शेल्फ वैल्यू 1 दिन है, न्यूज चैनल की थोड़े दिन ज्यादा है अगर वो रिपीटेड प्रोग्राम है तो. सोशल मीडिया का एडवांटेज है, बात यहाँ करोगे तो जापान तक जापानीज में पहुंचेगी, इंग्लिश में नहीं पहुंचेगी. Only you use it well. So let's do this. There is so much that can be done. I'm sure, Sunil, you are not among those people who will hang your boots, not only on 30th June, but even beyond that. There is so much that we can do. And the day you finish, hand over the baton. I have great faith in the leadership of Rajendra Agarwal also. I see his passion. कहीं कम नहीं है, हर चीज करने के लिए तैयार है. And I must compliment Ajay Gupta, Vijay Jalan, Shashi Sharma. These are the 3 people I can see here. But you have a legacy of some outstanding Rotarians. I must compliment also the work that Bharat does. A very good representation from India on the board of directors, both Kamal and Bharat, let me tell you. So I think India Rotary is in amazing hands. So when you pass on the baton to the other person, remember, the biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life, to change, to make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hand, heart, and soul, the magic will begin to happen as the wheel begins to roll. Let's turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Shekhar, for actually a very motivating and inspiring speech. You said ये COVID का साल है, पर ये गिने चुने कुछ opportunity मिलती है इस साल के लिए. Thank you again for being with us.